Hi everyone, my name is Garrett McNoski. I work here at EXFO. I'm a product line manager for the Datacom team. And what I have in my hands here today is the brand new platform, the FTTA platform. And running on it is my brand new NetBlazer series, which is the FTTA 860, which is actually a 10 base T all the way up to 10 gigi Ethernet tester. We have two ports here, 10, 100, 1000 electrical ports, two 100, 1000 optical ports, as well as a 10 gigi LAN WAN Ethernet port. And what I want to demonstrate right now is how simple it is to use. So what I want to do here is I actually want to discover a remote unit. So I'm going to look for a far end NetBlazer unit. I'll scan the subnet. And what I'm going to find here now is an IP address of a remote FTTA 860G. And I can see that its status right now says busy BERT. So I know that the unit is in use, but if I want to overtake that unit, I'm going to go ahead and say, you know what? I still want to loop up that unit because I still need to do my testing, and I don't want to do a truck roll 20 kilometers away. I know no one is at that location, so I want to override that unit. I want to take control of it, so we're going to connect to that unit right now. So our status right now is connected. From here, the question is, what do I want to do? Do I want to do an RFC test, 2544? Do I want to do a BERT, a traffic gen, trace route, ping? So for this one, I'm going to actually try a traffic generation and monitoring test. So we'll load up that test. And from here, the only thing I have to do right now is simply press the start button. So we'll start running our local unit to the far end test, which could be 20 kilometers away. And right now you can see our visual gauges for throughput. This is real-time throughput, packet jitter, latency with digital readouts right at the bottom. You have your pass-fail thresholds. I can actually go in and say, you know what, let's do a little change on the fly. Let's lower it down to 50 megabits. So right on the fly, we go right down to 50 megabits. So we have real-time bandwidth adjustment, real-time frame size adjustment as well. And that's just a very easy traffic generation test. If we want, we can actually enlarge the pass-fail, no alarm. And then once we stop our test, we'll see that we'll get a nice little pop-up asking us if we want to generate a report of the test case. So I'll say, go ahead and say yes. And at this point, I'm going to create a PDF report, and I want to display that report after I save it. Now we can take a look at this PDF. And we can actually zoom in. Right now I have a little EXFO logo, but I can place any type of service provider's logo in this PDF report as well. So now that my traffic gen test is done, I have the choice of doing a BERT test, an RFC, so we can simply go to RFC and do the same thing. We're already connected with the far end unit. I can go ahead and just start that test right up. And another thing with the NetBlazer is the ease of use. When you start a test, you're automatically taken to a summary screen. You don't have to find out where you're going. The technician is brought there automatically. So right now we're running our RFC test, and we have all the results on one page. Our throughput, our back-to-back, frame loss, latency. We even have our pass-fail status for the throughput test, which is in progress right now. As we can see right now, we have our in progress. The test is now passing. The first frame size of 64 has reached 100 megabits. And we could look at this for quite some time, but this is basically a little tour of the NetBlazer. So once again, this is the brand new NetBlazer series from EXFO. 3 different modules. The FTTA 860G, which is a 10 to 10 gigi tester. The FTTA 860, a gigi tester. And a dedicated loopback tester from 10 base T all the way to 10 gigi LAN and WAN. That is the 860GL. It's a brand new product from EXFO, and if you want to know more about this, please contact your local EXFO representative. Thank you for your time.